TOEFL Random Vocabulary.
Hello everyone, here's today's vocabulary. Extinguish, vulnerable, part-time, transmit, humiliate, accommodate, insert. Extinguish. Extinguish. The firefighters extinguished the fire in the building.
消防士たちはそのビルの火災を消した。
The firefighters extinguished the fire in the building. The firefighters extinguished the fire in the building. Vulnerable. Vulnerable. She was vulnerable to criticism by her supervisor.
彼女は監督者の非難に傷つきやすかった。
She was vulnerable to criticism by her supervisor. She was vulnerable to criticism by her supervisor. Part-time. Part-time. The company hired a part-time worker.
その会社はパートの従業員を一人雇用した。
The company hired a part-time worker. The company hired a part-time worker. Transmit. Transmit. Optical fibers can transmit signals faster than conventional lines.
光ファイバーは従来の回線よりも高速に信号波を伝達できます。
Optical fibers can transmit signals faster than conventional lines. Optical fibers can transmit signals faster than conventional lines. Humiliate. Humiliate. He often humiliates himself with his rude behavior.
彼はしばしば軽率で無作法な行動で恥をかいている。
He often humiliates himself with his rude behavior. He often humiliates himself with his rude behavior. Accommodate. Accommodate. She will soon accommodate herself to the new circumstances.
彼女はすぐ新しい環境に順応するだろう。
She will soon accommodate herself to the new circumstances. She will soon accommodate herself to the new circumstances. Insert. Insert. Please insert the disc into the slot.
ディスクをそのスロットに入れてください。
Please insert the disc into the slot. Please insert the disc into the slot.
Thanks for watching. Remember, listen, repeat, and listen again. See you next time.